Imagine a minister comes to your home with 10 bodyguards, and even after your service to him, he disrespects you and your friends. He even disrespects the food offered by you as it is not a five-star hotel food. You may feel in your mind to say get out for the ego and pride he has. Now imagine a richest person who has all the wealth of the world goes to Lord Shiva with a rich offering to give to Lord Shiva. Have you ever thought of the reaction of Shiva? He didn't even welcome him nor accepted his precious gift. He continued his meditation even after informed by Nandi of the presence of a worthy man. Why did Lord Shiva show such a behavior? He could have at least accepted his gift. The reason was very simple. It was his three-letter word ego and pride. Then what would Shiva accept and respect the most? And how can you become a good devotee of Lord Shiva? Do watch the full video to understand this. To understand this, let's go back to the time of Satyayug. Sati was incarnation of Mother Adishakti. She was apple of her father Daksha and hence also known as Dakshayani. One day, meeting of Brahmavadis was organized. Along with all the gods, Lord Shiva and Brahma were also present in the meeting. Daksh was late to arrive. All the gods except Brahma and Shiva stood up to pay regards. Brahma was his father, so he did not mind his behavior, but he was angry with Shiva. He considers himself as great, and Lord Shiva is just like a disciple for him, as his daughter was married to him. So it was his duty to respect him as he was his father-in-law. Later, when Sati learns about this, she angrily questions Shiva. Mahadev, I am very upset with your behavior with my father. Where all other gods stood up as a regards to my father, why can't you just stand for a minute? At least for the sake that is your father-in-law. I thought all these days my father had ego and pride of being a Prajapati, but now I am shocked to know that you also have pride. Shiva smilingly and respectfully, without being affected by his wife's anger, replied, my love, no doubt your father has ego and pride of being a Prajapati. But how could you doubt me? Your father has gone up to an extent that he considers himself greater than God. The main reason I not respecting your father is the ego and pride he has. If in his position, if they were any of my pure devotees, I would have stood up. If they were any innocent animals, I would have respected them. If they were any little organism of a pure art, of course I could respect them. But a person who is filled with ego and pride, oh beautiful, I have no respect for such person. A bag without sugar has no value. Similarly, a person with an ego has no value. Is considered empty even though he has good social status. You know me, I am also known as Pashupati, as I am the lord of all the living creatures, from a little ant to a giant elephant. I see no difference between a man and an ant. My love towards them is the same if they are my pure devotee. I can't just differentiate them because of their size and their position and work, as all contribute to the society as much they can. The only thing which matters to me is pure love and devotion, and I pay respect to only those. I respect those whose art is devoid from all the contamination, irrespective of their age, position, strength, gender, size, and wealth. That is the reason why I accepted you as my wife, even though you are the daughter of a man who is filled with only jealousy, ego, and pride. What attracted me is your pure love and selfless devotion to me. After hearing this, Mother Sati also learned a lesson that a person's greatness does not come from his position, social prestige, or wealth he has. Instead, a person can be called as rich as others if he is loving, caring, and as a pure heart which is not filled with ego, pride, and jealousy. And also respect those who respect you, irrespective of their age, social prestige, wealth, etc. Don't respect someone who is wealthy and it looks down upon you. Instead, respect those who have love and care towards you. You can only gain fake respect but no respect from their heart. You see, Gandhiji was a poor person, but still he resides in every note and all respect him because of his courage and love towards people. Let's understand why Shiva didn't accept rich man offerings. If the rich man, instead of bringing a precious gift, if he had bought a full Belvapatra and living beyond all the pride he has of being a rich, why would have Shiva not accepted him? Shiva would have accepted him as a pure devotee. So, if you want to become a favorite devotee of Lord Shiva, throw all the trash from your heart and start loving him selflessly and unconditionally. Otherwise, you will meet the same consequences that Daksha met. He was killed by Kala Bhairav for his ego and pride. I hope you learned something from this. I would like to end this with a Shiva mantra. Om Tat Purushaya Vidmahe Mahadevaya Dhimahi Tanno Rudra Prachodayart. Om Namah Shiva, Om Namah Shiva, Om Namah Shiva. Thank you and do subscribe our channel.